Hello everyone, my name is Shutja Gupta and today I am going to teach you how to make succulents. So what are succulents? Succulents are unique and beautiful plants. They have thick and fleshy leaves so that they can store water inside them. And we don't need to water these plants every day. You can just water them once in a week. Examples for such plants is jade plant, which is known for its good luck and to bring wealth. The second example of the plant is aloe vera or snake plant, which is used to purify the air. So we are going to make these plants and let me show you a sample of such a plant. So you can see the leaves are thick and this is what we are going to do today. The material required for the session would be pencil, sketch pen, colors, and if you like paints, then definitely go for paints. So let's get started.
The first step is to keep the sheet in vertical order just like this. Next, grab your pencil and make a line in the center of the sheet. So you will make one sleeping line in the center of the sheet. And now you are going to take your left hand 3 fingers and you'll keep it on one side, make a dot, and from the other side and make the dot again. Now if you're confident enough, use a pencil, otherwise a marker, and join the 2 dots with a curved line. Remember that a pot is always cylindrical and we do not have to make a straight line, instead a curved line. Now for the pot, I'm going to make 2 slanting lines so that it gives a look. So a glass is also actually made in the same way, and yeah, that is how we are going forward with it. Now to complete the pot, we are going to join again one line, curved line from one side to the other. For making the designs too, I'm going to make 2-3 curved lines and then I'm going to design very beautiful pattern inside it. So now you can think about different lines. So in the starting block, I am going to make zigzag lines, as you can see. Go patiently and do not hurry while doing this process. The next shape that I'm going to make is going to be circle shape. I make very sure that I make equal size circles and not like big and small ones. For here, I'm going to make rainbow design, and this can be also called as an inverted U design. Okay. So you can make dotted lines, you can make patterns, you can make shapes. So be creative and draw whatever you feel like in these boxes. And you absolutely need not copy exactly the same as I'm doing. You can use your own creativity in this thing. Now I'm adding little more details to my design so that it looks so awesome and beautiful. After we are done making all the design, now it's the time to make the base. So this plot is definitely not flying in the air, so we definitely have to make the base. For making the base, I'm going to make a curve line, hop over, and then complete the line. Remember not to overlap the line on the pot, okay? Now it's the time to make the succulents, leaving 1 finger from one side, making a dot, then 2 fingers, making a dot again, and now I'm going to make 2 standing lines. So this is my long cactus, and then a rainbow curve at the top that will complete my little cactus. From the bottom also, I am going to make a curved line. Don't make a very big curve, but a little small curve on one side. Now it's time for another succulent, which is going to be circular in shape. So first I'll make a oval and then I'll make a small circle. It looks like a snowman now. But we are going to make this a little cactus. Lastly, I'm going to make kind of like the aloe vera plant. So for that, I'll make the U shape, then a point in between. I'll join the two sides by curving, like I'll do an S curve from one side to the bottom, and then I'll go up and again repeating the step, coming back to the center point and a little tiny one at the top. Now I'll add a little small flower at the top of my one succulent, and we'll be making some, like, if you've seen the cactus, you must be knowing what this is. This is the little cactus coming out of the big cactus, mama cactus, okay? And she has 2 children. So now, after doing this, I am going to complete my pot, but I'll not overlap the succulent, right? Hop over, move, hop over, move. And now my drawing is almost done. I just need to make the smaller details. So actually for making the smaller details, I'll be using a thin marker, and you can use a black sketch pen or a pen. And now after making center lines, I'll make curves, little curves here, little curve there. And after doing that, I'm going to make V shapes for the horns, okay, so that it looks a little spiky, right? So I've made small V shapes, and remember to do this with a very thin black sketch pen or a pen, as told before. And now crosses here, V and crosses can depict, can give that texture, that horny texture, and the more texture we give, the more better our artwork looks like, right? So my drawing is now almost done, and now it's time to color. So I'll be taking all my green shades. With the dark green color, I am going to outline. Always remember, when you have to make your beautiful artwork, you always need to outline, and when you do it with a dark color, your artwork looks even more beautiful. And inside I did light green. Now next I did olive green, and inside I did yellow. So all my green shades I'm using. You can use wax crayons or oil pastel, whichever you feel like.
Now it is upon your creativity how you want to color the pot and what surface you want to make over here. Is it kept on a table or on the floor? So that's your decision.
And you can paint the background just like this and enjoy.